Alright. So just stopped downpouring. And we're going out to check the flow. Looks like it's going that way. And as you can see, definitely coming down the yard, still straight down here, and then making this turn here and going that way. So this stuff up here which just looks like it's coming from the yard, because it looks like, well, it's hard to say. Well, you can see it's flowing this way, and then coming down here. Flowing right past the garden we just put in. So this is what I need to do is finish dragging dirt up there so it peels this half off here and brings it down through here. So we got flow, and look how it's coming in the yard and really starting to fill up more. But it wants to go this way. And if you notice, the rushing water comes down here, and currently have a little blockage with a root right there. It's no big issue. But this water is running right down here, and right down there, and right down there, which is exactly what we want. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of room for expansion, but we'll see how fast this fills in. And this is pretty substantial flow right here. Pretty substantial. And I'm glad I worked on this morning, emptying this out some more, because I ended up dragging some dirt in here. But yay, you can see this is working, because all this water would have been up here. Of course it's still filling, so we still have more storm to go. Would all be up here. Now this is eventually going to wash down all this silt sediment that we've drug uphill, so this will fill in and hopefully continue to flow out, and we'll continue to make that our lowest spot and continue to dig it down. But let's check out this flow. Pretty substantial. It's all going where I want to go. It's just down and away. Still got a little bit of drainage issues here, but it's basically going the way we want it to go. Yay! Oh, hey! Thanks for watching. More later.